Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have an amazing remote control car that can even go up the walls. What? My sons love this. I'm going to tell you all about it. This little remote control car is about to blow your mind. Watch what it can do. It can stick to your wall with a little vacuum built inside of it, and then you can drive it all over the place. As long as it's on a smooth surface, you're not going to get any trouble with it. We had so much fun with this car. My son drives it all over the place. He even had it on the ceiling, which was fun. And you could see it runs really good on smooth surfaces. It does a lot of twists and turns, which your kids will love. It's very easy to operate. You just turn on the thing on the back and put it on wall mode, and then it'll stick to your wall. Listen to how it sounds. And then it was very easy to put the batteries in and tighten them back up, and then to flip it on, and you are ready to play. Another cool feature that my son really loved was that the headlights and the taillights come on at night. So that was fun to do and a nice surprise. We didn't know that it did that, but here it goes. This little car has brought hours of entertainment to my little guy, and I think you're going to like it too. That's just my point of view.